Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. And we're going out to eat. Like, we dropped off the kids and we just want to step out real quick and just have a good time together without the kids. Like, it's been stressful all this while and we've not really had time for each other. And yeah, why not be suggested we should just go out? Like, okay, we're just going to go out and eat and we're going to take you guys along with us. You want to say hi to the camera, baby?
Hi guys, how you all doing?
Yeah, so we're going to one of our favorite locations to eat and you guys will be going with us. So let's go. It's officially winter in Chicago. Everywhere is like cold, like really cold. Would you believe I laid this hair in 5 minutes? Like, you know when you are going out with a man, the next thing is let's go. Like, I had to lay down this hair real quick and I put some lip gloss on my lips and yeah, that's it. I wanted to wear makeup but there was no time, so I'm just gonna go like this. I'm loving this hair color. I'm sure you guys must have seen it in my previous video, but I'm loving this hair color. And yeah, it's just so beautiful. It looks really good.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you, say you, say you. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you, just say you. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say
Oh my god, this place is so, I enjoyed it. Baby, how was the food? Tell me, how was it?
It was delicious. I like it. I like the fact that it's spicy.
So this is more of like our regular spots. We always come here, like we'll be here severally. So the food is something we're used to and we had a good time. We'll definitely come back here again, right?
Of course, yeah. Why
Okay. So we'll give it let's say 5 over 10. No, not 5, 9.
9 over 10.
Yeah, 9 over 10. It was a good
I
one.
like the fact that it's spicy.
Yeah, and it was fresh from the oven, from the fire, because the fries were crispy, the wings were hot.
It was spicy.
It was
yummy.
spicy. It was so good. We enjoyed it. So definitely, you guys should check it out.
Check it out.
If you're in Chicago or you're coming to Chicago or you're looking for the best wings in Chicago, Regis is your best spot.
Yep.
Let's take a picture like this, baby.
vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven?
Hey guys, so we just got back home not quite long, and I just changed it to something comfortable and I put on my bonnet. I'm just gonna chill right now. It's about almost 2 o'clock, so I'm just gonna chill before go getting the kids. Yeah, that wings was the bomb. Like, I enjoyed every bit of it, and I'm just gonna chill. It's gonna be getting ready for work soon, So why are you smiling after eating the chicken wings? So we're just pretty much gonna chill right now, maybe just watch a movie before he goes to work and before I go pick up the kids. And about the chicken, it was so good. Like, baby, what do you think about those chicken wings?
It's nice. I like the fact that it was spicy, you know.
Yeah, it was really good.
It was good. It was yummy.
Like, it was one thing I like is freshly made. It's not like something they make, and it's freshly made, so it's right out of the fire, and
it was dry.
It was dry. It's crunchy. It's not like those kind of chicken that the inside is not well cooked. This one, it was well dry. And yeah, you should check it out. I'm gonna put a description about this place in the description box, so you definitely need to check it out. Like, whenever we want to chop wings, like we want to eat some chicken wings, we always go to this place. Like, it's our go-to place to eat chicken wings. It is so good. Yeah. So guys, I'll pretty much talk to you guys later. For right now, I just want to go and chill, and yeah,